Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can transfer your photos on WeTransfer. For that you have to come on this website and sign up. To sign up, just click on the sign up, and right now I don't want to give any money, so I will just simply create a free account. Now I have to put my email here and the name and now password. Let's simply sign up. After sign up, you can just simply click on add files. Just click on that. Now from here you can access your photos. In my case, I will just simply click on the photos, whatever I want to share with my friends, and click open. Now the two item has been added. Now here, if you want to send via email, you can add that, or if you want a link, you can create a link simple. In my case, I'm just creating a link. Just click on the get a link. Now these two photos are uploading, and just a little bit time, and copy the link and share with someone you want to send these photos. If this found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.